Hello! In today's video, we are going to be introducing a powerful new DIAL application called the DIAL Entity Extractor. Accurately recognizing and retrieving predefined information from unstructured sets of documents can significantly boost operational productivity and lower costs across just about all business verticals. For example, pharmaceutical companies may want to extract drug names, patient demographics, or side effects from various clinical study protocols and compare them. Financial institutions may want to identify selected financial metrics and important shareholders from annual reports. The DIAL Entity Extractor allows you to easily define the set of attributes you are looking for, upload documents in various formats, manually validate the results, and generate reports based on the findings. Today, I will be showing you how the DIAL Entity Extractor allowed us to rapidly create a claims assistant for a large insurance carrier to significantly reduce claim processing time while maintaining the required accuracy. Let's take a quick look under the hood to see how to set it up. We'll start with the application's configuration in the DIAL admin panel. Like all DIAL applications, we can configure basic properties like the name, description, icons, and topics for it. We can also monitor and limit use, and establish guardrails via our interceptors. I should mention that all these configuration settings are stored in JSON format and configurable programmatically via the API as well as through this GUI. What we're most interested in today, though, is the parameters, as this is where we define the fields for extraction. Let's take a look at how attributes are defined. You can see that they have a name, an internal identifier, and one or more prompts. Prompts provide additional context for the underlying models or agents to find the named entities. In this case, we have a pretty detailed prompt that we have iteratively determined to be the most accurate for finding the cause of loss from the documents, but they can also be quite simple in certain cases. Now that we have our set of attributes defined for our claims, let's see the Claims Assistant in action. We'll open up our DIAL chat and select this Entity Extractor agent. Let me quickly show you the format of our sample claim. You can see that it's a combination of Word documents, PDFs, Excel sheets, and emails. Let's load them all into the agent and select to process the claim. As you can see, the agent begins processing it. After a short wait, we see that the claim has been successfully processed. Let's take a look at all the extracted entities. We see all the fields that were defined and marked visible in our extraction configuration present here. The Entity Extractor also provides a reference to the source document and exactly where the value, or list of values, were extracted from. When we have reviewed all the data, we'll click to generate our report, and we see that it's generated a Word document containing all of these extracted entities and their references. Like all DIAL applications, the Entity Extractor can also be called programmatically via API to automate batch processes. This Claims Assistant is just one of many examples of how the DIAL Entity Extractor gives enterprises complete control of their data collection workflows through intuitive UIs and easy configuration. DIAL makes creating, customizing, monitoring, and distributing applications like this more efficient than ever before. The DIAL Marketplace is where all of your enterprise's models, applications, and agents come together. Please subscribe to our channel at Team DIAL X for more examples of how DIAL is helping businesses with all of their AI needs. Thank you.